Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So before we hop into this highly requested video, just want to make sure that you guys are subscribed. Alright, cool. Now let's hop into it. Hey guys, so first I'm just going to start off by taking my hair down. My hair is pretty clean. I just washed it a couple days ago. And these are the kind of ponytail holders. I love to use the big jumbo ones, by the way. So first I'm just going to start off by grabbing my comb, and you can use any rat tail comb for this, it doesn't matter. And I'm just starting to part my hair, and first I'm going to take the little bit of hair out that I want to use for my swoop bang. And FYI guys, when you do the swoop bang, make sure you guys take out a little bit of hair. I noticed the more hair I take out, the harder it is for me to swoop it. So I just take out a small section that's almost just in the middle of my head and the front. And I'm just going to put that little piece up and move on to the rest of my hair. So now I'm going to take this water, and it's just water, no conditioner added or anything like that, and just spray the outer perimeter of my hair. This is going to ensure that my hair lays super flat without soaking up all of my hair. So now I'm taking this Denman brush, wet brush, whatever you want to call it. This brand is called Evolve, but it's just like a Denman brush, and I'm just laying my hair down. That way it lays super flat. And this is the kind of brush I like to use, an old school wooden brush. And I use this brush to lay my hair down, to style my edges, all of that. Especially doing like my slick low buns. I love using this brush. It's so useful, and it just seems to work very good for my hair. So first I'm just like swooping my hair out and placing my edges in the position that I kind of want them to be in. Now I'm going to take some edge control and start to put that all over my edges and on the base of my hair, so that way it could just all lay down super flat and slick. And it may look like I use a lot of edge control, but really you guys, I'm telling you, my hair will curl right up with the edge control. So even if I didn't put this much edge control, my edges are still not going to lay down throughout the entire day. So this is just as much as I can do now, just so it can lay down super flat. So I'm just going to continuously brush my hair until I feel like it's slicked back enough and laying flat enough. I'm going to also go ahead and keep going back and forth with the Denman brush and this wooden brush, just to ensure that all of my hair is laying down flat and there's no flyaways or no hairs out of place. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the ponytail holder I showed you guys earlier, the big huge jumbo one, and I like these ponytail holders because you can double them, and I feel like it's just better for my hair because there's no metal piece on it or anything like that. So now I'm just putting my hair in a nice snug ponytail, not too tight. I just wrapped it 3 times. That's it. It looks tight, but it's really not that tight. It's tight enough to where everything is like secure, but my hair won't break off or anything like that, if you guys were wondering. So now it's time to move on to the bang part. And you guys, this hairstyle is so simple. This is like the prettiest, quickest hairstyle you can do, like just a slick back bun. And I actually prefer my hair in a bun anyways. I hate having hair on my face, and I think I look better with my hair in a bun. So now I'm just moving on to the bang part. So I'm starting to form how I want it to go. So I'm going to take this Mizani Styling Prep and Set Foaming Wrap Spray Foam, whatever it's called. And I'm just going to take about 3-4 pumps of that and add that to my bang and all around my hair to make sure no flyaways come up. And this foaming mousse is really ideal for hairstyles where you want your hair to lay flat and stay flat. So I'm just kind of swooping it over to how I want it to go. So I am going to go ahead and take some Got2b glue. I know how you guys feel about it, but that is how much I use. Literally not even a dime size amount. I just use that at my roots of my bang so it doesn't curl up too much and lay super flat and slick and just down, because my hair just wants to curl up so bad. So now I'm going to go ahead and continuously brushing that and forming that into the swoop that I want it to go in, adding some more of that foamy mousse here and there. Just use however much you think you need, depending on how thick your hair is or how curly it is, whatever. And yeah, I'm just kind of just forming it in a direction I want it to go in. That mousse is really helping me out a lot too. It's helping the hairs go in that direction instead of curling straight up. So this is what the back of the style looks like. My bang is not in the ponytail yet, so I'm just taking some mousse and making sure the back of or the end of the bang is like, you know, sticking in place. Now I'm going to take a second ponytail holder, and this is where I'm wrapping my bang in the ponytail. So now that everything's in a ponytail and secure, what I like to do is take a little spoolie brush, the little brushes you could use for your eyebrows or your mascara brush, and just start to fill in those little gaps. You see how there's tiny gaps in my bang where it's just not closed? My hair curls up, so it's creating little gaps. I hate that. So that's just what I did. And now I'm just going to take some Wild Hair Growth Oil. This is an amazing oil. It was only $6.99. And I'm just making sure to apply that to the ends of my hair just so my ends are not dry before I put it in this bun. So now I'm just going to scrunch up my hair and start to pin it in place. All I did was took my hair and scrunched it up in place and used a bobby pin just like that to make sure every piece is in place. I suck at explaining things, you guys, so bear with me. This is very simple though, and I'm just like brushing every little tiny part of my hair, making sure there's no hairs left out and that everything is nice and neat. So I'm just gonna keep going around the hairstyle until I feel like it's perfected. Make sure all my little pieces of hair are in place. And this is pretty much what it looks like, guys. Everything is nice and neat and secure. And this is a great hairstyle for just a cute day out and you don't want to do too much. So yeah, I hope you guys like this, and thanks so much for watching. Mwah.